Hey guys, it's Micheal Live, and this is my DIY blanket scarf. Now, the weather has been crazy. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's warm, so instead of going out and buying a new scarf, I decided to make one. So I went to Joann's Fabric, got some cute little fabric for about 20 bucks, and I'm going to cut this to make it look like a blanket scarf. So right now all I'm doing is cutting off that rim that basically is going to keep me from making it feathered on the end and getting that all the way out of the way. But this is just a fun activity that you can do for both fall and spring. So this material is definitely a winter material, but you can definitely get a softer, lighter material for the spring if you like wearing spring scarves. So now all I'm doing is releasing the ends from one side to make the edges exposed. And I'm going to do this for all three sides because there was already one side that was done. Alright, so I'm going to move on to side 2. Well, no, not. This is a side that's actually already done, so you can actually see what it's going to look like. But this is side 2 right here. Same thing, I'm going to pull out those loose edges. Now you can do this with a pair of scissors, or if you choose to use a more sophisticated tool that you can find at the fabric store, but because this material is so super thick, it was easy to do it with my hands. Alright, so here's the finished look. Again, super easy and it's versatile. And this is what my edges look like. So let's wear this bad boy. So these are just a couple of ways that I would wear my blanket scarf, and of course you can wear it in different ways, and if you wear yours in another way than me, definitely let me know. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you make your own blanket scarf, or if you guys have any ideas for other DIYs, please leave your comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and follow, and I'll see you guys next time.